climate crisis that we are certainly facing knows no borders. In the high north, where Iceland lies, temperatures are rising more than twice the global average. Glaciers retreat, permafrost thaws, oceans warm. And it is the poorest, those least responsible, who suffer then the most. For us Icelanders, renewable energy is the backbone of our security and also of our independence. And the ocean is our lifeblood, our history, our livelihood, our identity. Its health is inseparable from the fight against climate change and from the protection of biodiversity. The ocean gives, but it also takes. That shared understanding deepens our solidarity with small island states and others who are now on the front lines of sea level rise. Their reality must be faced by the entire UN membership together as a global family. Colleagues,